pa tayo mabayaran ang mga provincial official kaya anhiya na board members. Nga nalilipay niwat kita nga padayon nga nananaringsing itong ating mga vibrant young people makabot itong rented pangulungan ng ating probinsya. Yaan hiya na itong anak, itong gobernador, itong Eastern Samar na ating pasasayawan ng special dance sa minuno. Ating probinsya, tao itong muna. Represented to us, ladies and gentlemen, Governor Benny Bantone, with his son to perform a very special Karacha board member, RB Anitariki. Wala ng process. RB Ibardoni, sir, and thank you for increasing the number. Hindi mo magiging panis, is a potential and a promising leader also of Kanamin. And I'm happy to acknowledge we have Madam Alicia Aliti, legal defense. Do the honors, come on! Iniyan kanahang masunata, Madagbi.
This is Can Avid Tour Fiesta 2024 Waray TV. Subscribe.
Bardoni,
and Madam Alicia
Ligen
Davis, hani yung maupay, kabagsayang, and thank you so much for your generosity.